What is glitch? A glitch is a distorted, ever-like, broken visual effect you often see in movies, music video, and edit. Like this one says. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add glitch to your video. If you are listening us for the first time, you are welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. All you need for this tutorial is your phone and the CapCut. So if you have CapCut to your phone, good and fine. But if you don't, head over to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut because we are doing this right now. So enter your CapCut app. Once you find yourself in your CapCut app, the next thing you want to do, if you have an existing project, you can tap on your existing project and add your glitch effect. But if you don't, you can start a new project. So start a new project. Once you start a new project, it will take you directly to your gallery where you can add any video you want to edit. So for this tutorial, let's add this video. So once you select your video, the next thing you want to add it to your timeline. Now the video is on the timeline, you can find your glitch effect on this bottom menu. All you have to do is search until you find effect. So once you find your effect, the next thing you want to tap on it, then you tap on video effect. But before I continue, mind you, there are two types of glitch. We have the inbuilt CapCut glitch and we have the manual CapCut glitch. Whereby the manual is the one where you are creative, you can add whatever you want to your video. The inbuilt CapCut glitch, you just tap on any glitch there and you see the whole activities on your video. Me, I prefer the manual CapCut glitch, but I don't know if after this tutorial maybe you fall in love with the inbuilt CapCut glitch, because all these are just ways to make your video more interesting. So right now we are doing the inbuilt CapCut glitch. So the next thing you want to do, you want to type on retro, distort, and the organ of them all. You search your glitch himself. So once you are in this video effect, the next thing you want to do, you want to type all these. You can see all these are glitch because once you tap on them, you see enormous changes to your video. And what do we say is glitch? We say glitch is a distorted, broken, or error-like visual effect you find in your video. So imagine tapping on this, zoom in. You see how the image tends to zoom in. Tapping on this, you see how the image will take different shape. So all these are glitch, but it depends on your likeness. How do you want your glitch to be like? So, but for this tutorial, let me take you to the most known glitch, because these are type of glitch that when someone see them from a distance, they'll be like, this is a glitch. So first we want to type on retro. When you type on retro, you'll see different type of glitch over here. All you have to do is just tap on it and it will load and you'll find the effect on your video. Since you have searched on retro, let me take you to distort as well. So it's either you type on retro or you type on distort, and the final one, you go back and you just scroll over this place until you find, okay, you can also find the retro here. You find different type of retro, and you can also find the distortion here. So you see different type of distortion effect. Okay, you see how distortion be like. All you have to do is tap on it for it to load and you set it up on your video. So, and the last one I'll be teaching you is the glitch. When you tap on glitch, this is glitch in the inbuilt in CapCut inbuilt library. You tap on it, you can load whatever one you want. When someone sees it, they'll be like, wow, this is nice. All you have to do is tap on the one that fits your interest, and the next thing you want to export your video, or if you want to add sound effect to it, you are good to go. Then you see how glitch make your video look nice. If you want to add glitch on your video, you can either find them on retro, distort, or glitch. All you have to do is just scroll and navigate to the CapCut app and you can find inbuilt glitch over there. And you can use retro, distortion, screen. Like there are so many glitch. All you have to do is scroll. All you have to do is scroll through these places and you can use them enormously on your video and your video will come out nice. Once you find a good glitch that meets your interest, the next thing you want to do, you want to press OK and export your video. And export your first video. So secondly, I want to teach you how you can use the manual glitch effect. For the manual tutorial, tap on the plus icon to start a new project and you select the item you want to edit. So let's say we are still editing this video, so let's tap on it. So once you import your video on your timeline, the next thing you want to do, you want to find how do you apply your glitch. So you can apply your glitch by splitting, by tapping on anywhere you want the glitch to appear. Maybe you find this place in text and you want to add glitch here. All you have to do is split the video and you tap on this part. After tapping on this part, you scroll at this menu here and you find glitch. Are you seeing glitch? You tap on glitch. Once the glitch loads, the next thing you want to tap on the one you want for the video. How you want the glitch to appear. So you see something like this. So you can decide to add as many glitch as you want to make your video look as stunning. So it won't be like you just use only one glitch and that's it. When you use different type of glitch, it makes the video outstanding and be like this person actually know what he or she is doing. So since I've said that, let us add more than one glitch on this video so we can see how it comes out. So after adding glitch here, you want to tap on the timeline and split again. Then let's scroll. Let's say we want to add another one here. Then we split. So after splitting, you just tap on this split here and let's look for the next glitch we want to add. I already told you, glitch is a distorted effect. It's like a broken or ever like scene visual effect you find in your video. So it doesn't have to be like it doesn't have to be like this. It doesn't have to be like this. Just anyone, you can call them glitch. So for this, let's tap on this blur effect. You see, something like that happen, you'll be like, ah, that's a glitch. So all these are glitch. All you have to do is you just need to learn how to apply the glitch to your video and you are good to go. So after adding this on your video, the next thing you want to press the check mark to that and add another glitch here. Now let's watch what we have there. You can decide to even make this more beautiful by using the speed curve. Using the speed curve. So when the effect comes in, you'll be able to recognize it. So let's play this video now. So look at what we got. Oh my god. So the next thing you want to add your sound, find inbuilt sound in CapCut library and you can add whatever sound you want on this place. So let's try this out. And if you like the sound, the next thing you want to add it to your video, let's remove the sound in the normal video. So look at what we got. So with that, your video is ready. All you have to do is export your video and you are good to go. With this, I just teach you how you can add glitch to your video. If this video help you, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our video. If you ever try this out, do it to tag me so I can see your own version of it. This is Create with Freething. See you on our next video. Bye.